let's quickly see if we can smash him in ass. We ran out of gas. So that was about 40 shots altogether from them 2 gases, so that's not too bad. Right then guys, hope you enjoyed that. This is Umarex Hdx68 caliber. It's supposed to be 16 joules, but it's not 16 joules, it's 8 to 10 joules. And that's the tracer unit, works really well. I like the tracer unit, it's pretty impressive. The gun itself is pretty impressive, but just needs to be sorted out so I'm getting the power like the others. So there you go. Enjoy the rest of your new year, and I will see you all again soon. Bye bye for now.